Hi fam, hello viewers, welcome back to another vlog. How are you guys doing? So happy Sunday. Yeah, even though this vlog was filmed yesterday, Saturday, okay, but I'm posting it today. So happy Sunday guys. Look, we just received our couch this morning. Yeah, our couch is finally here guys. I'm super excited. Just take a look at that. We can also turn it into a bed. Say hello. Look at our new couch, guys.
I'm going to show Daddy.
Of course, Daddy will see it by himself. Yeah, this is the instruction. We don't need it because you already coupled it. Wow, so cute. Hello, les enfants. Yeah, I just love that the couch have storage area. At least you can put all your blankets in here. That way you don't have blankets all over the sitting room. It's so cute guys. I love it. I just love the couch. So right now guys, I'm just hanging the clothes that I wash. Yes, our hanger is in the sitting room. In this house we don't have balcony guys. Everything is just in the house. So guys, if at this stage you're still watching but you've not subscribed, what are you still waiting for? Like, click that red button and put your bell on so that you get notified anytime I post a video. Yeah, I'm just cleaning the sitting room. The kids are having their lunch. Say hello, Astrid.
Hello.
Yeah. Astrid is my friend's daughter. She came to our house for vacation. Say hello, Harmony. Yeah, Harmony is eating rice. Astrid is eating plantain and egg sauce. That's what she said she wants. And Nathan is eating rice and plantain. Say cuckoo, papi. Cuckoo. So guys, I'm just boiling plantain and yam. This is what I'm, oh la la. This is what I'm craving. Has some salt. Yeah. So I want to eat plantain, yam and egg sauce. Yeah. The kids are still eating.
Mommy, I finished it.
They almost finished. Oh yeah, I'm only finished our food already. Yes. Who sent you? That's your papa. So guys, my food is ready. Oh, look at that big head of fish. Oh my god, this is what I'm eating. I have eggplant sauce. I have egg sauce. I just want to empty this one because it was remaining a little in the bowl. So I have yam, I have plantain, I have fish. So guys, here is my water and this is my sobo drink. Guys, I made sobo. I just use this for a thumbnail right now, but I don't know, I might be drinking that, so but I don't know yet. So this is my remaining eggplant sauce. Yeah, so guys, bon appetit. Yeah, so guys, I know you guys are wondering where is my fork. Okay, I don't feel like eating with my fork. Okay, this kind of food I want to eat it with my hands. Sorry about the washing machine guys, I'm doing laundries over there. So I'm going to be eating this with my hands. Yes, I'm bush like that. You guys should leave me alone. Let me enjoy my food in peace. Let me enjoy my food in peace. Oh my god, come and join me. Thank you. Food like this, I don't like using fork. I just feel like I'm not enjoying it. You enjoy food like this more with your hand. Oh yummy, don't worry, my hand is washed already. I remember the way back in Africa when we finish eating and my mom is eating. You know how moms eat now, the way they will be doing the thing with their hand. You that have already finished eating, you start being hungry again. You find yourself hungry. The thing is kind of I don't even know how to explain it. Especially my mom. I don't know if all moms are like that. The way she'll be using her hand to do the food like this. You just want to take the food from her and start eating it. There are people inside. Do small, don't go and enjoy yourself. Ale, let's go inside. I'm gonna say hello.
Hello guys. We are doing in the park with Astrid. And look at my hair guys, it's very cute.
A drama queen. Yeah, we are in the park. The kids came to the park to come and play. It's a beautiful day.
Where's Nathan?
Nathan wants to go and play with those children, but he's just looking at them. He don't want to go and play with them. It's a beautiful day. Yeah, today is Saturday. Yeah, I told you guys that before at home. So the kids want to go to the park because the weather is beautiful. So that's why we are here. I'll go to the shop later to pick up some few things with the kids, but we are still here in the park, so we are playing. Yes, yes.
I want to play with them.
Yeah, he told me he wants to play with them, but he got there, he don't want to play with them.
So tell them, Astrid, tell them.
Nathan, go and meet them. Tell them you want to play with them.
Astrid, je sais Chloé, on peut jouer avec. Nathan, Chloé. Oui, la fille qui a la rouge veste, elle s'appelle Chloé.
You know her? Then go and tell her that your brother wants to play with her.
No, I don't.
Ah bon?
Hey, Astrid, go and tell, okay? Don't be shy.
Ah bon? Daddy cuckoo.
Cuckoo.
And Nathan is tired. So guys, we're in the shop. We came to pick up some stuff.
I'm not sure what to.
I'll try to smoke, okay?
Cuckoo. Hello. Hello.
Allez, go.
She's not taking oil yet.
No, we are not taking oil.
You have oil yet.
Yeah, there is oil at home.
Let me look, somebody pour this.
Oh no.
This give me mustard.
What is this supposed to do? Supposed to sweep it or what?
No. but they mash it.
You can mash it.
If they mash it, if somebody mash it a lot,
I said, no, you don't have to do that. How they come?
later there will be a lot of most of little bit that we have to sweep all.
How
It will take long time. Yes, somebody will be punishment.